Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have the Vicks filter-free CoolRelief Cool Mist Humidifier that will help you with all your allergies. Alright, so right here is the Vicks CoolRelief filter-free humidifier. You get a cool steam with a cool mist. This helps with reduce the survival of any flu viruses on surfaces and in the air. It will help you breathe better and sleep more comfortably. It'll keep your throat and nasal passages hydrated, temporarily relieving cough, congestion, dry nose, itchy, and dry skin. So here's just a little bit of the features on top, what you can use. They have two different methods you can use to get the Vicks soothing. So you got the cool mist, there's no filter, it'll tell you the room size, cleanability, warm mist, filter free, tank capacity, and runtime. You've got two dry, comfort zone, and 2 humidity. So the comfort zone is between 40 and 60 of the humidity, 60%, 40%. And here's 2 ways you can do the liquid, or you could do the little VapoPads. They come in different scents. So the best thing about this, you could choose the different size variable mist controls. It has no filter. This is a half a gallon capacity, up to 40 hours of runtime per tank per filling. This can control up to a medium size. So here's the liquid VapoSteam. You would just put that inside the little bucket in front right here where you can see the mist. So let's dip into the box. And first off in the box, it'll tell you a quick start guide. It'll tell you to how to remove the tank, turn the cap, add the water, tighten the tank up, how to set it down, plug it in. And then if you can see right here, the teaspoon, you can see there's a little cup there. That's where the liquid goes. And at the bottom is where you'll put the little pads. And if you need some more instructions, it will tell you in the user guide. So first off, you do get a user guide. This is the Vicks CoolRelief, the user manual, no filters required, wisp, quiet, easy to fill and clean, auto shut off. And then you do get a pad. You get the VapoPad, you get a sample pad. It's a very tiny little pad. You can see it's probably about an inch wide, about 3 inches, about an inch high and 3 inches wide. And then you do get some coupons in this book, which is a great thing. So if you want to purchase another one, they will give you a $2 off another set, 75 cents off the VapoSteam. You get $1.50 off of any 2 VapoPads. And you can see right here for another one, you get $2 off, 75 cents off the liquid. And then here's the owner's manual. This just basically tells you all the parts, what's not to do, cautions, and then the warranty. It tells you what you can use, which are not included, but you do get a VapoPad 1 sample. You have the VapoPads, the VapoSteam, which I actually purchased separately. And then they have other things you can do to help clean this, which I use vinegar and water, which helps clean it perfectly for me. So this is telling you how to use the vape pads. And then now let's go ahead and dump into the box. And in the box you have the machine itself. The great thing about it, it works with the VapoSteam to help provide medicated relief from coughs due to colds. The product dimensions are 11.9 inches high, 8.5 inches wide, and 9.5 inches length. So this is what it looks like. So here's your settings. You can go from off all the way up to high. And then down here you'll put the VapoPads in. Just remove this little sticker. Pull that down. And then it's got a slot for 2 of them. So this little thing down here, this gray thing, does heat up. So it warms up the pad. So when it sucks in the air, it'll actually suck in the air from the pads themselves. So do not touch that. It does have a warning label on there. It says do not touch because it does get hot. So this is very easy to fill and clean. So this would be great to use during the cold and flu season when allergies kick in and other air is simply just dry. So if you live in a dry climate like myself, this is great to add some extra humidity. The great levels are between 40 and 60. This little cap right here at the top is where you'll put your liquid. Here is where your steam comes out. The little blue cap here at the top does not have anything that leaks into the thing. It just heats that up. So that little blue thing does heat up. And here's the tank. So to fill this up, you would just remove this little thing down here at the bottom, the cap. I do not recommend adding anything in the reservoir itself except for water because you don't want it to be all greasy or anything. They have specific places to put their little Vapo stuff. So you'll just turn that thing right here and it will open up to add your water in. This is a half a gallon, so you'll get pretty good usage off of this, especially throughout the night. The Vicks humidifier is ideal for medium-sized rooms and is quick and easy to use and clean. It also works with Vicks VapoPads and the VapoSteam for extra soothing comfort for medicine cups. With the warmer can be used with VapoSteam or essential oils, which none of them are included. It creates a relaxing environment and wide tank opening offers easy filling and cleaning. It's filter-free, so no replacement filters are required, and it does hold up to 2 Vicks VapoPads, simply not included. But they do offer 1 sample pad, so you can start using this right away. This has a half-gallon tank that can enjoy visible cool mist for up to 24 hours or utilize the auto shut-off. It's quiet to making it a great choice for your bedroom or a baby humidifier for nursery and kids. So this blue thing here is where you'll put the liquid at. It'll warm it up, so when the steam is coming out, the liquid that's in this little compartment, you can smell it. So this is not connected anyway to the water tank. So we're just going to go ahead and fill up the water. So we got some water put in the tank. We're just going to go ahead and put it on here like that. You could tell which way to put it in because the round thing has a spot for it. So now that it's filling up the tank below, it'll drain most of the water from the top. And then you'll see right here at the middle, it'll have some water bubbling up. And at the very, very top, that's where your steam will come out. So like I said, it does come with 1 pad included. So you'll just insert it here at the bottom. If you don't like the pads, you can buy the liquid, which I have bought both of them. And then you could put it up at the top. You just only use a tablespoon. So this little thing just goes right up in here. You've got 2 spots, so if you want to use 2 different flavors or you want to make it stronger, I would definitely recommend using 2 of them. And what it does is the bottom port down here heats up and the air flow that comes from that will come out the steamer so you can smell the Vicks. So this is super easy to use. It's easy to clean. The humidifier doesn't require replacement filters. All you do is just clean it up. You could buy some more of the liquids or you can buy the pads. I've actually purchased some crystals off of Amazon and those actually work just as well. They're the mint crystals. But if you don't want to use any mint crystals, you can use the VapoSteam or the VapoPads. You could put 2 of them in here to have it a little bit stronger. Or if you don't want to mess with the pads, you can buy this VapoSteam right here. You just put it in this little cup right here. And then what it does is it'll heat it up. So the smell from the steam right here will go into the steamer and you'll get that cool soothing and it'll help you with your cough suppressant. I would definitely say if you're looking for a nice humidifier for VapoSteam and stuff, I would say definitely check this one out. This is definitely one that I love.